YouTube family, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Jackie with Momma Mia DIY. Today I have a woodpecker craft haul for you guys. I have a promo code listed down in the description box if you guys are interested in woodpecker crafts. So I was wanting to pick up some things for the fall and Christmas, no, not really Christmas, fall crafts and just home decor DIYs. So I am going to show you what I picked up. I picked up 3 of these, nope, 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 4 of these house shapes, and they were $2.63 a piece, but I picked up 4 mainly before the 4 seasons do a little house for spring, summer, winter, and fall. That's why I picked up 4 of these, so I can have them over here on my tier tray or up here on my shelves or windowsill or something like that. So I picked those up. Put you back in the box. This, should have read the dimensions. I didn't, but it's still cute. And it is a chunky mason jar cutout. I got one and it was $1.42. I was thinking, I was hoping it was a little bigger, but it's not, but that's okay because I can still make it work. We're here on the tier tray or shelf or, you know, but yeah. So there's that. I will, if I can find the links to everything I bought, I will also add those down in the description box below. And they're calling these chunky watermelon slices. But when I saw them, I saw fake pies. But then I watched Mimi's World, I think's what her channel is called. Her name is also Jackie. She's awesome. I'll link her down in the description box. She did a candy corn video, and I was watching that. I was looking at it and I'm like, oh, I could turn one of those into candy corn. So, but I picked them up for fake pies. I got 4 of them. They were $3.12 a piece. I know, a little pricey, but I wanted them. So those 1/2-inch wood, whatever they call them, wooden ball. It was $2.35, but I picked up 4 different sizes. One came in a pack of 2. But if you saw my fall into autumn video, I used, I think I still got it right here, this metallic copper by Folk Art paint on a DIY that I did, and I really liked the way it looked. And I like some of the other colors that I used. I was thinking of painting these up and putting them like in a dough bowl or a basket or something like that. This one are, these were $2.59, and it is 3/4 of an inch ball. So I got a set of those. The next one is a 3-inch wooden ball. It was, I got the list here, that's why I keep turning my head sideways. did I buy on this? It was $4.68. This one is 3.5 inches, and it was $9.21. And somewhere I also got a 4-inch one, but I think I already pulled out of the box because I was going to do a DIY with it. So it's over here in my upcoming DIY pile. But yeah, and the 4-inch one, did I really pay that much for it? It's $16.13. So that's why I got these wooden balls, just to do, stain them, paint them, put them in adobo, something like that. Like I said, I will have my link for Woodpecker Crafts down in the description box below. I will list everything that I picked up from them. Woodpecker Crafts. I'll have everything I picked up listed down in the description box, and I will put Mimi's World in the description box below too, so you can see all of her excuse me, fabulous candy corn DIYs that she did. They were really, really cute. So as of filming this video, which is Saturday evening on August the 27th, we are one subscriber away, guys, from reaching the 500. So I am so excited. I keep looking at my phone, and I did my nails to celebrate. I did film putting these on, so if you guys would like to see that video, just comment down below and I will upload that video and show you guys how I do my nails. Always get complimented on them because they're like, you know, it looks like you went to a salon. No, they are Bring the Salon Home Kiss, Classy Nails, Premium, Keep Calm and Stay Classy. So that's what I got in the box. Looked like this. But yeah, just one subscriber away, so I'm so excited, guys. I do have a decorate box to do for you guys. I have a Dollar General haul for you guys to do, and I have a review video to do for you guys. This company called iMethod reached out to me and sent me their perfect brows in seconds to give them a try and give them a review. Well, I did them. It was very easy. I love them. So I will be doing a video on that. And I will be doing a video on 500 subscriber giveaway. So there's several videos to be coming up. But yeah, one away, guys. Your girl is like, oh. So I just want to thank each and every one of you guys. You are amazing. I appreciate you, and I'm so excited. So with all of that being said, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see the nail video. And if you're new here, think about subscribing and helping me reach that 1,000. So yes, I mean, guys, you just don't understand. I am just so, yeah. But I'm sitting here rambling because I'm so excited. Okay, I don't have any of my crystals on either, guys, so, or, you know, I'm just, need to put them back on, get me grounded, stay calm. But yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you that's right, in the next video, looking like this, because I'm just gonna go boom, 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 and get them all done. And hopefully by the time I'm finished filming, I can come on, might come on live once I reach that 500. Let's take a quick look and see. Let's refresh. No, still saying $4.99. So, but I might do a live. Haven't ever done one, but we'll see. If not, I'll record something and hopefully not ramble and just be able to post it immediately. So, but thank you guys. You are amazing. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.